Welcome back, savvy investors. Today, we're going to shake things up a bit. Forget about the traditional investment advice you've heard 1,000 times. We're diving into the unconventional. Get ready to think outside the box and discover some intriguing ways to put your money to work. First up, have you ever considered investing in nostalgia? Vintage items like vinyl records, classic video games, or even antique furniture can hold significant value over time. Plus, they add a unique touch to your investment portfolio. Next, let's talk about urban farming. With the rise of urbanization, space for traditional agriculture is shrinking. But that doesn't mean you can't get your hands dirty and invest in sustainable farming practices right in the heart of the city. From rooftop gardens to aquaponics setups, there's a whole world of opportunity waiting to be harvested. Now, here's a wild idea: investing in virtual real estate. In the digital age, virtual worlds like Decentraland or The Sandbox are booming. Just like physical real estate, owning property in these virtual realms can yield impressive returns. Who knew pixels could be so profitable? Last but not least, let's raise a glass to craft beer. The craft beer industry has been bubbling up for years, offering investors a refreshing alternative to traditional stocks and bonds. With a passionate community of beer enthusiasts driving demand, investing in local breweries or even starting your own microbrewery could be the happy ending you've been searching for. And there you have it, folks, 4 unconventional ways to invest your money. Remember, the key to successful investing is to do your research, diversify your portfolio, and always stay curious. Until next time, happy investing.